Hey guys, JP here from OneUp, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can generate your Instagram captions using AI. Yes, we do have an AI integration, and you can find that option right here where it says auto-generate caption. Now, since we're posting via Instagram, I have uploaded a sample photo here. It can be just any photo just to demonstrate how our AI integration would work. Now, to fully maximize the AI integration, you need to be very specific with what you want to what you want the outcome to be. Say, you need to be specific about the tone, how long do you want it to be, how you would want it to sound like, and even like if you wanted to use hashtags, you can just indicate that right here. So in this example, I am creating a caption for a solution to limit it to 400. So yeah, in this example, as you can see, I am very specific about how I wanted it to be. There's actually no limitations on what you want to say. You can just make a prompt and have it add here. So auto generate caption, and once it generates, you can just insert or copy. Insert and scroll down. Now this post is actually ready for posting already. I can add it to my drafts if I wanted to like make use of it in the future, or I can schedule it for a specific date and time as well. So in this example, I'm just going to post it now. And that's it. That is how you make use of our AI integration to generate captions for your Instagram posts. See you on the next video. Bye.